Hello students, welcome to Richland College and welcome to Level 1 of the AECI program. To get started, let's look at this map of Richland College. I hope you all have one. If you don't have one, be sure to access one online, and this will help you to find your way, especially these first few weeks and months at Richland College. I hope you enjoy the campus. It's a beautiful campus. There's a lake in the middle of campus, and I think you'll find it quite enjoyable. Okay, next I want to point out ECampus. ECampus is our online site for all the classes. So when you go to ECampus, also called Blackboard, you will find information about each of your classes. So be sure to log in, and you can check out a lot of information for each of your classes. On eCampus, when you click on the appropriate class, you'll find a syllabus. And a syllabus is like a map or a guide for that class. It will give you a basic idea about what we will learn each week in class for whichever class you're looking at. The syllabus will also give you a kind of a weekly guide that can tell you what to read each week and how to prepare each week. So it's very important to look at this syllabus. If you look at the syllabus, you review what is expected of you, and you try your best to complete your homework on time and participate in class, you will most likely succeed and do well in Level 1. Another thing that the syllabus will show you are the books that are necessary for your classes. So be sure to purchase these books. You can buy them at the bookstore on Richland College campus, or you can go online, or there's many bookstores that would have these books. You could even purchase them from former students. But regardless, you'll need to have these books, and be sure when you open them, look at them, make sure there's no writing inside of the book. You're going to want a clean copy. If there's some writing in there, you're going to want to erase any writing that maybe a former student has written in there. Okay, next I want to talk a little bit about class participation. This is very important in the AECI program. You'll see that the way that I calculate class participation is I look at attendance, if you're ready to work in class, if you are working in class, if you're using English, and if you're not using your cell phone. And the way I do this is I give every student 100% at the beginning of the semester, but if they are late to class, they'll get -1. If they're not ready, they didn't bring their book, they didn't bring their pencil, they didn't bring paper, then they're going to get -1 for each thing that they forgot to bring. If they're not working hard, again, that's going to be the same. Okay, so that's a basic overview of the attendance and class participation. We'll talk more about this in class, but I wanted to let you know that it's very important to participate and come to class, be on time, and be ready to go. And that goes for all of our AECI program. In addition, if you are late or tardy 3 times, that will count as 1 absence. And at the very end of our session, if you have 6 or more absences, you will get a 10% reduction in your final grade. So again, this is very important to be on time and come to class each day. Let's say, for example, if you had 3 tardies, that means 3 lates, that would be 1 absence. Again, I'll give you some examples in class in your syllabus. There are some examples as well, but the main thing to remember is it's important to be on time and to come to class each day. Okay, so that's all we're going to go over today. I look forward to seeing you in class, and you can always email me or use the link in eCampus to also email me if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you in class.